How to download songs in Spotify. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. If you want to download a song in Spotify, then this video is right for you. In order to download songs in Spotify, you must have a premium account firstly. After opening your Spotify application, you will be appeared to this homepage. Now, go to the search bar and search for the song that you want to download. After that, select the song and tap on the three dots in order to add it to the playlist. Now, tap on the Add to Playlist option and add the song to the playlist. You can name your playlist as your preference. After that, click on the Your Library option in the bottom right corner. Click on the playlist you just created and tap on the download icon as shown by the arrow. Wait for a second and your song will be downloaded. Now, you can easily listen to the song offline. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.